So, it's been a while. I've been escaped from my beat up from avoiding the draft World War III. You know, which was ultimately pathetic in type because World War III didn't happen and such, you see. Yes, I know it didn't happen. That's why I escaped, you see. Because it didn't happen, so it meant nothing. And now, you know what? This world has come to crap. Yes, very, very much at a sucky state. I hate being here at home. You know, my mouth is just not working today. And, you heard the news recently, right? Yes. The news about basically the real world GTA happening right outside of our doorsteps. Oh boy. God really did have good plans for 2020. You know, I really do feel a personal connection to these stories type, you say. It's pretty obvious why, huh? What are you doing? Pretty obvious why. What's up with your mouth? Can you just go away while I do my, speaking to the part? Yeah. It very much is sad type to hear. You know, the police really do hate me. Well, I mean, you have done, criminal-like things. Right? Right? Well, I mean... yeah, that's true in sorts. But I mean, look at me type. And just look and see. The police extra type hate me. So... yeah, that's probably true. Gee. If only we knew who was behind this. 'Cause there has to be somebody behind this. Maybe I could eat this thinking food. Yeah, if only. You know, I do have a thought in mind that maybe, just maybe, it was the CEO of racism. That is most likely what is happening. You are a genius. A genius type, he says. I can agree with that. I'm just pissed off about the PN incident type thing. Occurrence. Well then why do we keep, freaking around? Let's go! Alright then! Whoa! This is the place type location, I can see. Very barren, I see. But very interesting. I really have nothing else to add on. Is that? Paper, nature's perfect vegetable. Alright, Cookie Monster type man. Stop with your eating habits. Please. Immediately. Well, I am not judging your eating habits, for one thing. So why are you doing it to mine? Bunny, the one thing, problem type thing that we're gonna have is with Sesame Street type show and comparisons because puppet type creatures. And your gluttony certainly will be used type to explain argument type assessments. You know what? You're probably always thinking, oh look, I'm a sly talking British type snake dude who talks weird. I have an excuse to make fun of people for their dietary habits. You know what? You know what? Whoa! You're gonna be in my hand for the rest of this entertainment type short form YouTube clip. Whoa, whoa. Calm down, you two. Remember, focus on the goal at hand and we can stop the issues. But no, you two have to have like little petty arguments. So that's gonna slow us down. Besides, we're right at the destination. Come on, everybody. As I said before, let's go, go, go. Wait a minute, we're already there? We're already there? I'm gonna be a gentleman today. No way type, stop! Ouchie type, like Oochie. Oochie. Buddy. My little friend. Are you alright? I'm gonna go check if he's alright. Alright then. You do. Now then, I think he's, here. That has to be his chair. Hear me! Hear me now! We are here to stop you! We are here to stop you! Maybe if I'm louder, you can hear me. We are here. Oh, somebody's there, I see. Alright then, I'll do the dramatic chair thing. I suppose. Ugh. You know, being a puppet and not having legs, it certainly ain't as good as being a human with legs. You know, not being able to sit in the chair and all. So, yeah, to clear something up, I am not the CEO of racism. I am just the assistant. I've taken over for the day. He is out there crowning his achievements about making the world terrible. So, yeah. But I can answer questions, you know. Ah, yes, Marker. Action. Yeah, I have a question. So from the outside, this place looked like the hugest place I've ever seen. And then from the inside, this place looks poor and sad, not rich and happy and gay. You know, racism is pretty gay, if you really think about it. You make me angry! I was so disappointed. I was hoping to walk up tons of stairs, but no. I just have to, walk on the floor like I always have to do. Explain that. Well, you see, the whole reason this house might be a bit small is because this is just his mom's house. We're in his mom's basement. That's why all the food is here. And besides, it's all delicious and tasty. You know, sometimes I grab a bite, and, yeah, you know, I'm gonna grab a bite right now. No, wait! You want me to continue talking to you, don't you? Yeah. Alright, fine. I will pretend to sit back while, you say something. Huh? What the hell is happening over here? Yeah, and this is the CEO of racism type executive guy that we're trying to fight and stop type action here. He looks like me, except not black skin color, with higher up eyes, and just generally higher up on yummy yummy tasty stuff, with a body, and of course a hand type moving object that's stuffed in my head type cranium thinker. Well, I'm gonna say it again. Well, I mean, I already told this guy over there, but I myself am not the CEO of racism. I am just his assistant. He is out to go and talk about his achievements, his great big achievement of what he did to society. But once again, you can ask me questions. Go ahead. I was. Hey, where'd the snake go? I'm over here. Oh, it's just you. Where were you? Well, I decided that my seating type stand-in position area over there wasn't good enough for my little snake-like body. So I decided to go in slither type movement, this little sly, sneaky thing, over here, stand over here while you ask your question type thought. Okay then. Well, my question type thought was, well, no, you go ahead and ask type thing. Okay. Well, my question, my question is, you know what? Oh no. Type, stop it. Whoa. Sorry you had to witness that. Anyway, the question is, when will the CEO come back then? Oh, type pain. Will you be quiet? Damn! I did not know you were that much of a fighter. You know, I always kind of thought you were more the passive type. But that was quite a show you put on. Yeah, okay, but he was, you know, I kind of had my nth degree with him, so can you just answer the question and shut up about me being a badass? I won't forgive you type apology response thing. I wasn't giving you an I'm sorry. Anyway, you go on. Oh, well, let me think. You know what, maybe I should check here. Ugh, phone, right? Oh my! He says he's back now. So, go ask him your questions. When he comes back, of course. I'm just gonna still pretend to sit here and be in power. Oh, he is? Well, I'm gonna hurry this up a bit because I am so excited. I've always wanted to see what the bastard looked like. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now, for the moment of truth. The final unveiling. Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. Now, he won't like it. What are you doing down there? He won't like it. I'm gonna do this anyway because I have to. Where is it? There we go. I should have known. Wait, why? Who is it? Him. It's the poop dealer! Boy, gender, boy. Genderless boy. Do I love sweet revenge type actions. Damn! He got some sweet revenge on you. You kind of, even if I did like it, you kind of deserved it. Huh? What are you...
Almost forgot. Shut the door. Well, sir, I could truly say nobody sat on your seat. Sir? Okay, I'll go.
Sir, Mr. CEO of Racism Poop Dealer, sir. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions? Ah, thank you. I know you're busy and all, but what am I doing? Why was your thought process this way? How could you think this way? What did this achieve? Please tell me. How do your decisions of racism even come to doing things and stuff? It gets over my head. I'm confused. I'm man. Just to answer me. What's with all this? Every villain has their motive. Just tell me yours. What, was it because GTA 5 went free on Steam? It's actually the Epic Games Store. Who uses the Epic Games Store? I do. Shut up. I don't want to hear about your stores and stuff. So anyway, just answer me. Is it because GTA 5 went free on Epic? Or what? That's exactly what happened? It inspired you with all the stuff and then the looting that was all inspired by GTA 5? Favorite video game? Do you hear this? Do you hear this guy? It all is coming together now. Huh. Type thoughts, nay. Exactly the way I predicted it. Dang, 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 shock thought, dang. You all shock me and surprise me, but prove me correct every time. So, what are we gonna do about this thing now that we know this all is just inspired by a fictional video game type playing experience?
Well, we could post pictures of black squares on our social media and then say that's gonna help.
No, but how will that help type thing?
Wait, I have another idea. You're gonna love it. We destroy the facility. What? You can't? I mean, of course you don't own the place. This is your mom. What? You're a figurehead? Look at me. What do we do?
I'd best say we do the type of action type thing that I was doing earlier. Come join me, big gray sacky type sweatshirt man. Together we'll destroy the place. And save the day type event. Day. Well, now I have some, use for this, leftover thinking food besides, eating it like a normal guy. But okay, I'll do this. Paper sack guy, get the car and, just go home. Me and Snake are gonna be here for a while. A long while. Alright then, I will do. Alright then, I will do. And then I'm gonna... Alright then, I will do. And then now I will get my go-go on. So, that was certainly an experience, right?
Yeah, that certainly was an experience. And he thinks so too. What was that? Ooh. Ooh, you don't say. Well, the poop dealer is talking about how pissed the real CEO will be once he understands that his basement lair has been destroyed by 2 puppets. What? What else? Oh, and his mom will also be pissed at him for destroying her house, of course. You don't want to forget about that.
Ooh, yeah. I mean, you're the poop dealer, so I wouldn't really worry about it. Hey, we're back in this house-type building space. Yeah, we're in the place. Oh, hi. So, how was it? You should have seen it. We destroyed that place. Yeah, took it down. Pace, building type, by pace, building type. Yeah, we kicked its ass and took its name. Yeah, rear hiney bottom type thing. Red. Real delicious too. That is very good to hear. I am proud. We are all proud. And I don't know why. Nobody's gonna cover that we're heroes. Before I go down, it's pretty weird. I'm sure you have an answer though. Well, you see, true hero type action people like us don't need coverage. We're just heroes because we did what we had to do type action. So, you know, we saved the day type week day, but that's what we just had to do. Anybody feeling trauma? Ah, it's just you type man. I know type thinker.
Shawarma. Let me think. What? You want some shawarma? Here, come with me. Well, the poop dealer certainly wants it, so, I'm kind of thinking, and, yeah, that kind of sounds delicious. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I for one could certainly go for some shawarma. I'm gonna go too then. You know, if that wasn't already obvious. Oh boy then. I can't wait. Wow. Let's go.